everyone, welcome to Untitled Travel YouTube channel. My name is Christina and today is Sunday 17th April. I'm here in Quito, Ecuador, but guess I'm not in my home. In fact, I'm in my family's house because today I have a delicious surprise for you. Yes. Today I will show you how to prepare an Ecuadorian traditional dish so popular in the Andean region of my country. It's called El Hornado. And first of all, we will buy the ingredients. So let's start. Okay, to make El Hornado, the pork should be baked for at least 1 day so that the marinade flavor is well concentrated, but for time reasons we are buying the pork ready in Sangolquí City, which is near to Quito, and the condiment like sauce, yapingachos, salad we will prepare in home. Then we will join everything to show you how the dish looks like. And today I'm with my father, with my daughter, my son, and my mother. This is the pork. Okay guys, we come back to home, and in my sister's home we are going to peel the potatoes to make the yapingachos, which is basically a fried potato with cheese. And then we are going to prepare the salad and sauce. And here is my sister. Say hello. And here Martin is the process to do the yapingacho. First we boil the potatoes, then we will fry. Look guys, this is the skin of the pork and it's come the most delicious part of the pork. Very good. Nice. Okay guys, the potatoes is ready to mash and then make the tortillas to do the yapping gachos. We have to get a small texture. Now we are going to put cheese. Hello. Hello. Okay, we made the tortillas and then now we are frying. This is corn. Okay guys, now we are preparing the salad and it's basically made with onions, lettuce and tomatoes. Okay, now we are going to prepare the sauce, a delicious sauce. It's called el agrio. Basically, it's made with onions, two kinds of onions, and also tomatoes. Look, guys, this is the agrio. We finished the prepare the agrio. This is a delicious sauce. Look. Look guys, we finished. It's ready. I'm hungry, look.
Che, ¿por qué en mi plato?
Toma cuchara, mijo. Toma
Look,
cuchara.
my dad loves rice, loves rice.
Hello?
Dali, say hello.
¿Ya? Tira un poquito. No voy a hacerlo. Yo estoy comiendo.
Delicious.
Porque yo tengo un dos.
Yo estoy comiendo. O sea, si yo me como me das $2.
And I'm from the USA. Are you fancy to win 200 USD? Then join our awesome competition on HornadoDeChancho and turn your dream into an exciting adventure. It is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's go. Step 1, tweet the 3 hashtags. Hashtag Muhammad Ali, hashtag love travel, hashtag win money with your photo standing in front of your favorite landmark. For example, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, followed by a few of your own words to describe the photo. Step 2, subscribe to the YouTube channel of Muhammad Ali, like and share it, and leave a meaningful travel quote of your choice in the comment section. Step 3, send an email to subscribeandwin@mohammadali.tv with your name and age to register your interest. As usual, our terms and conditions apply. More info can be found on www.mohammadali.tv. Wish you good luck and see you next time. Ciao!